can see, we've had a great snowfall. 2-3 inches of snow today. It's like -10 outside. January 16th, Sunday morning, 12:30. All season adventures. We're going camping, my friends.
We need a miracle. Watch over there, it disappears. We lose it all and shed no tears. It's just a dream that turns into nightmare. Future is out and run out of time. Just a dream that turns into nightmare. We need a miracle.
This little fella, he's always ready to go camping, aren't you, buddy? Yeah, go in your chair, buddy. Weather doesn't bother you, does it now, buddy? Any idea where we're going? I say we go towards Chalk River or Deep River. Chalk River or Deep River. One of them two? Wait for you. That's where we're going, buddy. Well, we've reached the end of this here road, and I think we're just going to park in this little here corner, set ourselves camp, and call it a night. So, where are you going there, teddy bear? There you go, we're just chasing Gizmo around. So, anyhow, there we go. As you can see, we got old Beaster coming back here. There you go, as you can see, maybe you can, I'm not sure exactly how well you can see. There you go. There you got the old Beaster truck parked right there. Got our table all set for tomorrow morning. But basically we're in some sort of a little cul-de-sac at the end of a dirt road. So yeah, hopefully I'm not too loud, so, cause I know there's a house down that way behind me. So anyhow, yeah, just gonna walk the dog a little bit, hop in the back of the truck, sleep, wake up tomorrow morning, and then have breakfast, try to find some wood. So till tomorrow morning, have yourselves a good night, and cheers. Evening everybody, just showing you guys quickly the inside setup of my little roadhouse, I guess. There you go. You see I got a little buddy heater, find it works pretty good, but just a little tip of advice, if you guys get one, read the instructions and make sure here, I'm not sure if I can see or not, get the light. Here I got the window cracked 1 inch, I can't remember, they say like 1 inch by 4 inch, don't quote me on that one, could be more or less, but I got like at least 1 inch by, I'd say it's at least 12 inches or so, so I got more than enough venting for in here, because otherwise with the gas they say you could die. So yeah, if you guys operate this type of heater, make sure you have some ventilation, any type of propane heater. So yeah, anyhow, and as you can see, here's Gizmo, our little faithful sidekick. Hey buddy, hey Gizmo, here you are, say hello. Yeah, there he is, he's just hanging out. So it's all tucked in, and got my thermometer here. As you can see right now, it's slowly climbing up. We try to get it to at least 10, then we'll shut the heater off and make us good for the night. So anyhow, yeah, so you guys see what I'm sleeping in. I tell you, this summer when we get KLR adventures, well, it'll be a lot more fun and better. But anyhow, for now we got the Beaster truck. So till tomorrow morning, have yourselves a good night, and yeah, I'll see you guys when I wake up. Cheers. Oh, morning everybody. It's 9 o'clock in the morning, and let's see how cold it is right now. -6, not too bad. So time to get outside and see what it looks like and have some breakfast. So, time to get this day started. As you can see, we got a little bit of snow last night. Are you swimming, little man? Looks like you're swimming. So as you can see, we got quite a bit of snow last night, and I was hoping to cook my breakfast on the table this morning. This fella, he's just a shaking, so yeah, we're gonna bring him back home, put him in the truck, let him warm up. We got snow, big open area. It's time to have a little bit of fun. Lots of these roads haven't even been plowed yet. I got a feeling I don't know if I'll be doing much cooking outdoors once I get home, because I got a feeling I'm going to be busy shoveling for a few hours. Well, as you can see, we made it back home, and yeah, not gonna lie, I would have loved to gone off-roading this morning. That was the original plan, but as you can see by looking at the driveway, I'm gonna be busy shoveling for a few hours here. So I knew if I went off-roading, chances are I was gonna get stuck and have to shovel a few hours. So shoveling off-road and coming back here to shovel more hours, I didn't quite feel like it, so I apologize. I know this video isn't gonna be crazy off-roading and off-road cooking and whatever not, but you can see we're busy. Not every video is going to be a win, so, but stay tuned, my friends. We will have some good adventures for you. We will get stuck at some point, and there'll be all sorts of stuff, and wait for the spring when the KLR comes out, so don't give up on me just yet. So anyhow, until next time, thanks for watching, and cheers, my friends.